Hello everybody, my name is Vianney.
And I'm Yessenia.
And today we're gonna make ghosts. So
Okay.
let's get started.
For what we need, there are brushes, a balloon, maybe some sticks, so we can do something later, and then some bowls, and then glue, a cup,
Wire, some eyes for decoration as well as some fabric, and then gauze. And you can also use paper for instead of gauze if you don't have it.
and then to get started, we're gonna use the cup and one of the balls. Or also, as I mentioned, you can use a globe,
A balloon instead.
a balloon instead. And it's gonna be like this.
First, you just have to use some tape so you can tape it, the balloon, into the cup so it doesn't move, and then we're gonna get started. So
What we did, it was just to put it like this, so it doesn't move. And then it's gonna be very simple. We're gonna use the gauze and put it on top. Or if you using the paper, it's gonna be paper instead.
you just have to make sure you have it cut into little pieces so it can be easier for you. And if you're using the gauze, it could be kind of hard, so you have to kind of separate it so it can be more and you can do your ghost.
And then with the
Glue and the brush.
you put it. You try to press it to make pressure, so
It can stick the
Together.
gauze to the balloon, and in that way we can create
the shape of.
the ghost.
Use the sticks to make like the hands of it, and then also you can maybe put it like inside of the cup.
This is how the ghost is looking, and we just kind of try to put the gauzes in different ways so the ghost can be getting its normal form. And when you're done, you have to wait until the glue has been dried, and then we can continue with the second part of it.
And this is how it ended. For decoration, at the beginning we had ice, and then we're gonna paste them. You can use any kind of fabric and just fold it, and then fold it again, and then with ribbon you can
We're done.
This is
The
how
final
it